My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a Yoga for Men Total Beginner Flow. I'm actually filming in my sister's, this is her new house, her second house, her vacation house in Wisconsin. So we're trying out the backyard here, have a nice view of the farmland behind us and lots of yellow jackets. I always want to get more guys into yoga, so important. I taught a class this morning and there was one guy and then 14 women. So bring more guys into it. Share this with a guy who really needs to start stretching, make it a lifelong habit. All right, without further ado, click that like button and let's get going. We're gonna begin in child's pose. Take the hands down, knees wide, and stretch it back. You don't need any equipment, no weights of any kind, just your breath and your body weight. Child's pose, we're gonna sway back and forth and really energize the back and the spine and the breath. Good, we're gonna improve. We wanna make this a lifelong habit to feel better all the time. Side to side, child's pose, releasing the spine, relaxing the armpits themselves. Now, roll the head side to side. Get some tension out of your neck. Get it out of there. Just wonderful. Okay, bring it forward. Little modified plank here. Knees behind the hips, elbows in. Activating our core. As you exhale, flex the abdominals. You can sway the hips. Get some strength in the arms, some density in the bones. Okay, now take this right arm, reach it up, twist, rotate, and open. There's a lot of yellow jackets out here. I might have to pause filming for a moment to satisfy their bloodlust. Okay. All right, your arm is up, opening, adding some nice rotation. And now let's make it truly special. Slide that right arm underneath the left arm and thread the needle. Make it active. So you inhale, reach up, looking at those beautiful trees, that canopy of trees, and then slide it through. One more time. Opening up the sides, open up your breath. Open up that beautiful Yoga for Men, Coach Vigue, Yoga for Men present. Arm comes through, hold it for a couple breaths. And then balance it out, other side. Right hand down, inhale, left arm reaches. Oh, nice big extension, slide through. Think of someone you know that would greatly benefit from these simple yet powerful yoga flows and poses. All right, one more time. Reach up. Big stretch, big stretch. Practice, practice, practice every day, anywhere, anytime. Bring it through. 2 breaths. Getting a nice shoulder stretch, shoulder mobility, and loosening up the back. So very, very important. No matter which age you are, we want longevity. We want to work and do the things we love to the best of our abilities. Now take it back. Child's pose. Tuck the toes. Something poking through the mat here. I'll have to ask my sister what that is. Stretch out that spine. Beautiful stuff. Now bring it forward onto your forearms. A baby cobra. Opens up the back, opens up the spine, opens up the chest and the breathing. If you like, leg curls. So we're lifted in our upper body and we're doing this beautiful stretch into our quads, our hamstrings, and our calves. Just a marvelous breeze, isn't it? I love filming outside. Being outside with the grass, the leaves, the sounds, the breeze, the farms, the yellow jackets. It's all part of it. There's the curls. One more time each side. Okay, now the scorpion. Hands down, you can bring it out further. I'm gonna keep mine on the mat. Bend your right leg and press that leg back. So we have this twist. If your arms are out, this left arm is getting a big stretch on the shoulder. Scorpion stretch. The hand is down, the right hand to press into that twist. Stretching the abdominals as well. Oh, so much in so little time. Let's go to the other side. Bend the left leg and press. Or the arm comes back here. And returning back to the center, let's take it to downward facing dog. Spread the hands wide, tuck the toes, and we lift up. This is a massive yoga pose used constantly in any kind of yoga class or routine. If you need to modify, bring the knees down, go back to child's pose. So stretch it back, bend the knees if you need to. And move within that down dog. Stretch the shoulders, feel that release down the backs of the legs. One more breath. How's that feel? You feeling some movement? Perhaps reversing years of back pain and discomfort. Perhaps. Now bring your left foot forward. Boom. Use the hands if you want to. Drop the back knee. We have a low lunge right here. You keep your hands down or rise up, shoulders back and down. You want even more, take the arms up, and we have cactus arms. So we're opening up our posture, opening up our chest and our shoulders as we hinge forward. Watch your balance, find a focal point, and breathe. Breathe more breath. The world needs more oxygen. In the lungs, in the brain. And one more breath right here. All right, and while we're here, bring that right hand down and left arm up into a twist. Fantastic mobility pose. One more breath. I usually count in breaths. It keeps the focus on the deep inhales and exhales, which are so important. Now bring it down. Step back, downward facing dog again, or child's pose. You feeling a difference already? You feel a little more release in the back, in the hamstrings, in your calves, in your glutes? Well, I hope so. I bet you do. Take another breath. All right, right foot forward, low lunge. Slide that left knee back. Feet are staggered. We're up tall. Fix your blouse. There's the wasp. Take the arms up, cactus arms. As long as I don't show fear, they won't sting me. Ow! Okay. Open. 2 more breaths. And flow right into that twist. Exercise and yoga flows, flowing like this, it's like a beautiful piece of music. A line of notes and chords. They all go together. If you remove one, everything falls. So we flow from one to the next, maximizing our time. One more deep inhale and exhale. Oh, just magical. Magical. Take it back, down dog. Take the feet together, legs together. Press back. If you have the movement in you, sway your hips side to side. It's a pendulum. Stretching your sides. Do they need it? I bet they do. There's bugs in my nose. I don't need that. But I'll take it. Did you get off my arm? Thank you. You have to ask politely. All right, my friends, bring the knees down. Whew. Sitting back, shoulder rolls. Opening the chest, Relax the jaw, relax the neck. Little twists. We're going to finish standing in a classic balance pose. You're not going to want to miss this one. Send you off in style, taller, more aligned, more energized. All right, so let's come up, standing position. You can stand right up or go to a forward fold first with the knees bent and rise up slowly. Lifting, lifting, lifting. Whoa, shoulders back and down. Okay. Tree balance pose. You can place your hand on a wall or a piece of furniture or a buddy if you like. Open up your hip. Either one's fine. Hands together. Or bring this heel below or above the knee. Here we are, tree pose. Find a focal point. Focus on your breath. And becoming taller with every breath. 3 breaths. Okay. So good. Let's switch sides. Plant the foot, open the hip, and here we are. So much potential. Practice these every day. Oh. 3 breaths. All right, shake it out, my friends. Great job. Does that feel better? Do you feel better? You feel looser, more focused? After 1, after 2, after 3, it is amazing, incredible, the benefits, how they come so quickly. If this helped, please click that like button to get it out to more and more people. Share it with somebody, for a guy who really needs to pick up this habit. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and thanks for joining me. Let me know if you want more Yoga for Men content. The breeze is kicking up, so I must leave. And as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much. I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.